If your Kia Sportage suddenly won't start, don't panic, as it is often a simple electrical issue we can troubleshoot together. Statistically, 70% of no-start issues in vehicles like the Sportage are related to battery health or loose terminal connections. Let us break down the diagnostic process into manageable steps to find your culprit. Always start by checking for loose battery terminals or corrosion, then observe your dashboard lights during the ignition attempt. The most frequent offenders are a depleted battery, a failing starter motor, or a simple blown fuse in the ignition circuit. Sometimes the issue isn't power, but a sensor like the neutral safety switch, which prevents starting if the gear lever isn't aligned. You can resolve many issues with a jump start or a simple cable tightening, but internal starter failures usually require professional help. As shown here, the battery remains the overwhelming leader in causes for a no-start condition on the Kia Sportage platform. If simple checks fail, use an OBD-I scanner to read hidden codes and a multimeter to verify your battery is outputting full voltage. Keep these basic tools in your trunk to handle most electrical troubleshooting situations while on the road. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery before touching any starter wiring or sensitive electrical components. If these steps didn't get you back on the road, it is time to call a pro. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.